Welcome to Asyn Code. Hello everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all our videos. In Python, a lambda function is a small, anonymous function that you can define without needing to give it a name. Example: using lambda functions to filter even numbers and square them from a list of numbers. List of numbers we want to work with. Here, we use the filter function to get all the even numbers from the list. Lambda function that checks if a number is even. X is each number from the list. If x mod by 2 equals 0 is true, the number is even and gets added to the result. Convert the result of filter to a list so we can see it. Filter returns a filter object, so we need to convert it to a list to print the result. The result will be a list of even numbers. Now we use the map function to square each of the even numbers we got from the previous step. Lambda x2 is another lambda function. This time it takes a number and squares it. For each even number, x2 is calculated, which squares the number. Convert the result of map to a list so we can see the squared even numbers. List of squared even numbers. Printing out the results step by step. Shows the squared even numbers. Now run our code. That's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated.